Hey guys, I'm back and I'm gonna show you my PC build. I customized it, customization. I'll be giving a tour later. Not later, like in my next video. So, this is what I got. This is a Radeon 480 Red Devil right there. It's a graphics card. It's the newest and it's also really sturdy. It's colorful as well. For some reason, you said it says 219.99, right? On the fastest speed 1330 mhz, but when I go to 1290 mhz it says 23.9 to around $240 basically. I don't know why, but I went with 1330 mhz. Obviously it's cheaper for some reason, so I bought this. So I calculated it before. 229. This is a Corsair CX 750 and it's 750 watts and it's 80 plus bronze, which means it's certified basically. This costs $89.75. So, okay, see, it's certified. So you could choose between all these watts. I got the highest watts because this is basically a gaming PC. So as you see, I got 89.95 or 89.75. Oh, 89.75. 70, that's minus 0.20. Okay, doesn't matter. So this is ASRock Vitality Gaming motherboard. Oops. This is $84.99. Not that cheap, not that expensive. Looks really good in size and in color, black. And there's also USB 3.0, 3.0s, and of course USB 2. So it's currently what I'm using right now. Basically all these things is basically what I'm using right now. So $84.99. I plugged that in, $84.99, and $29.99 is next because this is the keyboard and mouse. Basically, as I said, the current one that I'm using, $29.99 right here. You could get rainbow, green, blue. Basically, RGB means red, green, and blue. So I'll show it to you right now. It's more expensive. Plus, the mouse is sucky. I don't really like it. See, it's colorful. It's like rainbow. No idea why it's not red, green, and blue. It's $57.75. So I bought the $29.99 instead, cause I like red. Makes sense. So we got this 2 terabyte hard drive, 2000 gigabyte hard drive, performance hard drive, in fact. So this is on $29.99. See, next generation desktop performance hard drive designed to intensify your PC experience, which is right here, $129.99. $107.99 is next, right here, as the RAM. Keep pressing on that. Has the RAM G-Skill Ripjaw X Series 16 gigs. I've got two of them, 2 times 8 gigabytes, and 240 pin. This is DDR31600, and yeah, head on to the next one. This is the CPU. It's A107870K with a AMD Quiet Cooler. It's quad core for FM2 Plus, which means that motherboards also must be FM2 Plus. So this is fast. Look at the CPU right there. The cooler, it's really quiet. What I'm using right now, you could barely hear it. You basically hear nothing, cause it's really quiet, which is 120. Wait, what? $124.99. See, and over here, this is my case, but it's red. Thermal taking camera, whatever. This is a mid-tower computer case, $41.99. Right there, $41.99. $59.99 is next because of the Logitech. This is the current headset I'm using right now, and that's all basically. So the total is this, $86.67. So this, I included the PS4 because it's part of my gaming series. I use it to record, of course, Call of Duty, because this is the Legacy Edition, which means it has Modern Warfare Remastered and Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. I want to show you this because I got this for $130 and it says $299, $300 right there, because you could trade in values, trade it in order to get like cash or credit. So what I traded in was a 3DS XL. Whatever. So it's extra large basically. It's extra large. This one. Trade in this same exact one. You don't need any wires. You don't need anything. As long as you got the system, it's fine. So I traded in for the trade credit because I bought the PS4 at GameStop basically. Oops. Yeah, and if you want cash, you could just trade that in without anything, except all you need is the 3DS right here, and you could get $64 in cash, like real money. So I traded in 2 games and this console, which it says on this website, which is a 3DS XL system. That is true. So I bought my PS4. As I said, later on the next video, I will be taking a tour of my gaming setup, and it's fine. Yeah, right. So these websites are all by Newegg, newegg.com right here. I'll leave all the links in the description. These are from Micro Center right here. I go to the store, not the internet, so I get them much quicker. This GameStop, I also went to the store. Nice service. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.